think is cool about you is not too long ago you were in Kentucky running a successful manufacturing business, and now you are in Florida running a successful real estate business.
Right.
What? How many years that separate those two lives?
I've been here now, I'll be going on 6 years.
6 years, okay. So why the change? What was going on in your head that led you from there to here?
Well, it wasn't what was going on in my head. It was more a circumstance of what was give to me.
Okay.
So I had a substantial amount of loans with J.P. Morgan Chase, and they had a board of directors meeting in Arizona. My file was reviewed, and they decided to call my notes due.
Oh, dang.
When I tried to get refinanced, it was during a bad time in the banking industry. The banks didn't want to take on that amount of debt. And so I was basically forced to close my doors.
Well, I guess everything happens for a reason.
It does.
And
I wish I'd done real estate 30 years ago.
Yeah.